There's assignments to do,
You have deadlines to meet.
Deadlines to make.
Doesn't matter.
Listen, tomorrow don't exist.
I got a problem with the church, an issue with you all. I seen a lot of pain and hurt. We took our eyes off the Lord. I know every year is a season. I just pray it ain't fall. The trinity of religion, that's Mary, Peter, and Paul. We wanna walk with the Lord, but never willing to crawl. I remember chilling with y'all. You diss me and never call. If your mission ain't love, it's not a mission at all. All your blessings is vain, all your wisdom is null. I'm trying to worship the Lamb, but all you preaching is bull.
So extremely back into the Dwelling Sound for the latest Who Dat, and I'm here with
MCK.
Now I usually would butcher people's names, so how do you pronounce your full name?
My full name is Siobhan McKinney.
So here at Who Dat, we like to travel through the history, the path of the artist. So tell me, what was if you could remember the first moment you knew you wanted to be an artist?
Alright, the first moment I knew I wanted to be an artist, I guess one of my boys asked me to get on a track, just something for church, and I did it, and it was pretty cool. And I said I could probably do this for a while,
So you were like the typical Bahamian, you was in the choir first?
I think I might have been in some choirs, but I never wanted to be. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So the choirs didn't get it for you, but after you actually went on the track and said, "This I could do this."
Yeah, for sure. The rap was different for me.
So MCK, why that name?
But I wanted to keep something that was like actually my name. I didn't want to have like one of those crazy names like Angelic Host or something like that. Would put so much pressure on myself. I wanted it to be honest. So it's just half my last name.
I actually didn't realize that.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty dope. MCK, take off the McKinney. So gospel rap.
Right.
And I've talked to Najee before, and he told me the troubles he went through. He never really got any support. So what made you make that choice?
Well, first, as far as gospel rap, I wanted it to be something that I could relate to. I was never really, into other stuff or whatever. So I just wanted to rap about God, positivity, stuff that I actually knew about. So I just wanted to be honest with myself, as far as gospel.
So take me through the journey of saying, okay, becoming an MCK, I'm going to do gospel rap, and just take me through the journey of honing your craft and just the journey. Because you told me you have this, even though it's your project now, you have multiple mistakes prior to.
Right. So yeah, I like to say I've been doing this for 6 summers. I started off doing a mixtape with my boy, and then going into doing solo projects and stuff. I put a lot of time into studying the craft, studying the art form, because I view hip hop as an art form of storytelling, of social commentary, and also being able to that's a dope medium to be able to relay a message differently. So I say 6 summers to just practicing the flow, practicing composition, and here I am today.
So lessons from autumn. Talk to me about the hard work from the back end, the production, the writing, the recording, the actually releasing it, the artwork. Just take me through the creative process of creating it, even from the title.
Right. Well, Lessons from Autumn is an extremely personal project. It's, birthed out of some stuff that I went through about a year ago, almost like a year and a half now. And when I started writing it, honestly, I wrote it from the perspective of I don't know if I'm even going to release this or if I'm going to be able to continue music. So as far as the writing, I just was completely honest. It was therapeutic for me. But when I did realize that I want to put it out, I knew that I wanted the art direction to be cohesive, and I wanted it to feel like autumn. And I worked with some cool people, a creative team, to put together a pretty dope project, in my opinion. Yeah.
So you had the listening party in Through the Rain. You could not exactly where you wanted to be. Just take me through the process of hosting the listening party, the vibe there was, and the crowd reaction you got.
Initially, I wanted to do this dope campfire thing, but the weather didn't permit. So we moved it to this house party vibe, and it turned out pretty good. People came through and showed support. The call came through, and it was good. We did about a 7 to 8 song set, just vibed out. I got to share the message of the song with the people, and people really so far seem to be receiving the product pretty good.
And talking about receiving, if you want one thing to be heard through your music, what would it be?
Definitely for this particular project, hope is about being able to hold on, because about a year ago, I couldn't see myself here, sitting down talking to you. Like I thought about like there's just no way I could do music or even continue life. But the project is really about hope, holding on. Seasons change. After winter must come spring. Just hold on through, the situation you might be going through right now. So hope.
So can we expect any visuals? And other than this project alone, what can people expect coming from 2016 from MCK?
Well, yeah, hopefully we could do a lot of visuals. This is when I wrote it, I could see a lot of visuals attached to it. Also, want to do a tour, hopefully, in 2016, just a full production where I could maybe put the message for it in a more theatrical kind of way. And, just maybe more music, hopefully, just continue working.
Can we see you at Farm Fest?
We don't know. I don't know. We'll see. The powers that be have to let you know.
And just let people know where they can find you and where they can hear the music.
Yeah, well, you can find me on Facebook, capital MCK. It's the main page. And then I have a SoundCloud, The Artist MCK, Instagram, The Artist MCK, Twitter, The Artist MCK. And if you're interested in, let me come through, tell my story, it's mckbookings@gmail.com.
And make sure to stay tuned for MCK. Listen to Lessons from Autumn. This has been Who Dat?
I got a mini clock on my wrist, a little pock in my disc. Thug life in my mind, they a shot, but they miss. Gold rollie on, what you thought? Look at this, man, I copped a new drop, cause you are what you get. Nobody threw me a bone, real love is far-fetched. They snatched my chains and how I know my heart's next. I was chilling with this little thing, with the soft skin, then I got this hard text. Now I hope for the future is something my heart lacks. It said my sister had passed. It's still hard to look at the past. And my future probably is bad. Telling me God has a plan, a statement just made me mad. Eating all of my words, my mama was on a fast. When tomorrow gonna come? It's forever gonna last. They said God is a teacher, I ain't even middle class. That's why I do me, sip Chris, get chicks. Or I hope for a better day, this money we gon' get. Or pray to a genie, we never get what we wish. I looked at this homie and said this. We spend mad time like we been so rich. A broken watch is something you finna gon' get. You gotta listen here, you gotta listen quick. You say it changed tomorrow, but tomorrow don't exist. Yeah.
To a jurisdiction with no affliction. Extradition by way of an expedition. Cause where I'm from, they ain't respecting my exhibition. The worst situation calls for the best of distance. I need a little more hope and less pessimism. The times I wonder where I came from is just a prison. A city filled with corruption and nepotism. He thought he could thug it out well until that pressure hit him. True words, I'm trading my sorrows for better tomorrows and a lot more peace. Cause ever since I left the city where they lay you down at night, I get a lot more sleep.